traders, I'm looking at Bitcoin. If you go through my videos, you'll see the last video I posted, I was talking about this trade idea here. Let's take it out to the daily time frame. The video prior to the last one, I talked about this opportunity, and it's played out really well. So that was an entry point down in here. And the last video, I was talking about looking at this trend, and I'm always looking for the pullback, right? So swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. And again, swing low, swing high, it hasn't pulled back. And you see, have a look at the trend and just see how it's losing momentum here. Now, that's not to say that this could quite easily hold here and continue up. If it does, I'm happy to let it go, because what I want to see is an opportunity. Well, what I'm wanting is an opportunity to enter at a discount. Now, what I mean by a discount, if we have a look at this previous price swing, I'm always looking at the trend. It has to be trending, and it is. For every price swing, low to high, there's a midpoint. ICT calls it the equilibrium. Consider that smart money would only get involved at a discount, and the discount happens to be within this 50% range under this midpoint here. Okay, so you want to be in line with big money, and big money obviously doesn't buy at a premium. They buy at a discount. They accumulate down here, and then they unload when this this trend's overextended, right? So there's a couple of things about this. We've traded into these highs, and it's a significant level. There's liquidity up in here, liquidity pool that this is tapped into, and you can see, have a look at the chart, see how it's losing strength. And I've got some stuff on the chart I could probably delete. Let's just delete everything, take it all out. Okay, I'm looking at the highs here, and considering the fact that there's buy stops resting above these highs back in here prior to this expansion to the downside, right? So this is traded back up into this range. Consider this whole range, this high to this low. That's the trading range. Now, this is a bullish trend, so it's traded now to the high, to the top of this previous trading range. Okay, so while it's moving through, i.e., it's a bullish trend. We're seeing the expansion, retrace. There are all the opportunities to get involved, but it's currently trading into big resistance. My thing with this would be to sit back and either wait for this to break through, come back and retest, and that could be a possibility, right? If it holds here and pushes through, or we see it actually reverse, and that could give us an opportunity short. Right, so it's at a precarious price level at the moment, and you want to be really careful with this, right? So there's no clear direction other than if we go out to the daily. This is ultimately in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs. If we look at this channel on the daily time frame, even though we've had this strong rally, just be a little bit careful at the moment with Bitcoin. Right, so it's not mid range here. This is trading at the high, the high of this trading range. So I think my approach with this is going to be we mark that up and we'll go down the time frames. I want to either get involved with a buy or sell, and look, just have a look see how this is starting to lean over here. Starting to see some real weakness come into this. We have a double top, more or less. So the kind of price action you want to look out for here would be if it's going to be a reversal, and it's kind of happening actually. Let's just go down to an hourly time frame. See how we have these relative equal highs here, and then we get this spike above. Just be careful when you see this kind of price action. It could indicate that we might see a reversal. Okay, it's not guaranteed. It's not a prediction, but any double top with a spike through, and then particularly if this trades off with speed here, like if we see this really tank and set up an imbalance, in other words, a thin candle with nothing left and right of it, right? So let's just say we get Look at it moving. You can see it. Look at that. Okay, so it's tanking at the moment. This is into the London Open, right? Just watch out for the candle left and right. Okay, when it paints the next candle, if there's a space, it could indicate that this could be looking to roll over. It's possible. So to get involved with this, I would have to see either price. Let's just say it's bearish. Pull up this range here. Let's just grab this range. All right, there's a range. That's currently where this has been trading. Okay, so it's kind of range bound at the moment. For me to get involved, I'd need to see either it either trades down, breaks the base of this range, retest and fail, and then that's a potential entry point, short position, stop above a previous swing, and we could start looking to target some lows, right? So that's one idea. It has to break the base of this range, and I'm being fairly pedantic about this because, it has to do that. Otherwise, it's a higher risk involved, basically. If you try to trade this within this range, I guess is what I'm saying. So either it breaks the low or it breaks, let's just say it breaks the high, retest and fail here, then that could be a cue to go long, right? So this range is key for me. It's got to break the range, retest, and then fail at that, either side of it, and then I'll get involved. So at the moment, I'm going to sit back and just wait and see how things shape up. Because, it could head in either direction, but the thing is, we've got, what have we got down in here? We've got, just going to go out to a 4H and just have a look and see. Yeah, I'm just looking for any signs of an imbalance that hasn't been resolved. Really, there isn't any, except for this here. But I don't think that's very significant. See, we've got a candle high on the left, a candle low on the right. Okay, so we've got a little bit of an imbalance there, but I don't think that's significant. Go down to a 1H. Let's have a look at it. See what it looks like. Yeah, you can see on the 1H. You can widen that on the 1H. So we've got a 1 hour imbalance on the 1H time frame. I think that's it, guys. That's my take on it. I'm just going to be sitting back watching it, and I want to see a break of either the high or the low of this range before I get involved. And understand, look, see this markup here. That's big resistance, right? So that could be, give smart money enough liquidity for them to roll this over. Okay, so that's a consideration. You don't want to buy into this liquidity pool, right? So that's why I'm saying the break above and then the retest, okay, all right, and then break below and retest. All right, guys, that's my take on Bitcoin. I'd love to hear your comments. So definitely leave a comment. And with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.